Alright, you guys, I just got my upgraded LED porch lights for my RV. They are from Kohree, and they come with a couple lenses. Both lenses are very solid. These pop off nice and sturdy. The light itself, all LED, easy 2-wire connection. I just use a voltmeter to make sure I have positive and negative, and easy install, sturdy, looks nice. Really the only thing I didn't like about them is for some reason the holes on here are really small, and these guys don't go in there. I mean, you got to twist them, and you're twisting them in there and something's gonna give. So I just pre-drilled them with just the drill bit slightly bigger so that would go into it, because these screws don't go into there. This is what they replaced. These are the stock ones. These have a switch, these don't. I don't care to have a switch because they're controlled from the inside of the RV anyway, so who cares? Even if they do have a switch, it has to be on the inside for you to be able to turn it on here anyway, so I'm very happy that they don't have a switch. These are the ones that take the 1141 bulbs or 1156, something like that. They're the same bulbs, but that's what I'm replacing. So I just removed the old ones, cleaned everything really good with just some rubbing alcohol. When I went ahead and attached it, I used this stuff here, Dynaflex 230. Works great outdoors, it flexes, it's easy to apply, it's easy to remove, it's easy to clean. Unlike silicone, don't use silicone, that stuff is terrible. It's a pain. So this stuff works great, it'll hold up, it'll do the job. So let's go ahead and install them. I'm doing one first so that we can compare with the old one. And let's see what you guys think. I have high hopes for these though, because they're really nice. Alright, so this is the light. Cleaned off the surface of the old, where the old light was. Removed the silicone that was on there, wiped it down with some alcohol, and attached it. Looks really good. Put a bead of caulk around it, just a very light bead. You don't need to go crazy, but it looks really good. Really pleased with it. Alright you guys, so the one on the left is the stock 1141, 1156 light bulb, and the one on the right is the Kohree LED. The difference is incredible. I mean, that one on the left there, I thought it worked before, but now putting a real light next to it, I see that it wasn't doing much. It's hard to tell because my camera doesn't pick it up, but it's a lot more lit up right now than my camera is showing. So in front of that light there, all this right here is lit up. I measured it, and it's around 25 feet. So it's doing 25 feet that way, and it's doing 25 feet this way where I'm at. So it's just my camera isn't picking it up, but it is lighting up a lot more than this thing is showing. The funny thing is, if I go to picture mode, then it lights it up just fine, like it picks it up, but on camera it's just not picking it up. So towards the end of this video, I'm going to go ahead and put 2 pictures, 3 pictures, something like that, showing what it looks like when I do take a picture, so you can get an idea of the light output. Because for some reason under video, even if I turn up the bright setting on it, it's just not picking it up. But as you can see, everything that's being lit up here, and it's roughly 25 feet across this way and 25 this way, is all coming from that light. I mean, once I change them both out, it's going to be impressive. It's impressive as it is. It's just going to be a lot more impressive. So the pictures at the end will be a picture from the inside of the RV and some from the outside, and that's really what it's lighting up. It's a lot. So really happy with them. I hope they last a long time. I'll keep you guys posted.